Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an Echo Park mystery box unboxing for you guys. So they had this, I think this was a little bit before Black Friday. They had a mystery box and you guys know I can never pass up anything from Echo Park. So I had to get the mystery box, and then yes, I did shop during their Black Friday sale too, but that's another unboxing later on when I get that package. This, however, is the mystery box. So I have no idea what's in here. It's $50. That includes shipping. And I also got it cheaper because I'm a club kit member and I had a coupon code. So I had to comp it, like, I think it got down to like 40 something dollars, and then I still had to add more stuff to my cart to get to the 50 for free shipping. So yeah, there's only a couple of things I think that I added in here. I'm not really sure what it was, but there's only like 2 things. But anyway, here you guys will still get the idea of what is in the Echo Park mystery box. So let's get started and we're gonna go through everything. I'm super duper excited. Alrighty guys. So I see here we got an embossing folder. This is the little anchors on here. And I actually love that. How cute is this gonna be for some like summer crafting with little anchors? I love anchors. That is so cute. That would even be really cute on like a front album cover kind of thing. Very adorable with then like a larger anchor there. Oh, that would be so cute. So that's a nice embossing folder. Then I also got these puffy stickers. This is from the summer collection, or it's a summer collection called Pool Party. And I did get to play with this collection over the summer, which was nice. But now I also see I have a 6x6 as well. But that's what that looks like. I'm not going to show you guys in detail the 6x6, only because I did craft with it already. And I'm pretty sure I have a video somewhere on my channel here. But these are just some of the papers. You guys could kind of get an idea of what they look like. Very fun summer collection though, for sure. Ooh, what is this? It says Home for the Holidays. Art print. I've never seen that before, an art print. I mean, this would be cute either maybe on an album, but I would probably attach this to like a card base. Mail this out as a card. So maybe we'll do something like that. Not sure yet, but it says art print, so you can also frame it. What does this say? Home for Christmas. Oh, available now from Echo Park Paper. And they gave me a coupon code on the back. So I'm not going to share that with you guys. Oh, what is this? Talking about this fall. And they did not give me a coupon code on the back of this one, but they tell you about the Club Kit membership, which I'm already a part of. Okay, so next up we have chipboard frames. This is from the Magical Place collection. And it's just like a Disney theme kind of thing. I don't think I have these chipboard frames. These are going to be really cute to layer up on some Disney albums. So I'm excited for these. I don't have these, so that will be fun to use. Let's see. We got some Easter chipboard accents. Why not? I got tons of Easter paper. Oh my goodness, is this Magical Birthday Boy? Oh, I got this in the last box, I think. Or maybe I got the girl in the last box. I don't remember. But I did also order that recently. Okay, so we got tons of that. I got Botanical Garden 6x6 paper pad. And I've been trying to use up my 12x12 collection kit like this. But these are really cute papers. It seems like there's kind of like 4 collections in the one here. The color schemes, like these 4 papers, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 papers go together. These 6, then these, and then these 6 down here. So that's the way that the 12x12 was also kind of separated, because like the red and there's these like fuchsia kind of purpley ones, like I don't really feel like they go together, but it seems to be separated by like every 6 paper for that collection, which is kind of cool, different than other ones. I see some washi tape. We've got this one's called Summer, And this one is Pool Party on the left. So we got 2 rolls of washi tape. Let's see. We got the Magical Birthday Boy, which also I'm not going to do a flip through on this either because I know I have shared it. But this is single-sided paper that looks like this. And as I mentioned before with the Magical Birthday Boy, you could use this for a birthday boy, but you could also just use it as like a Disney birthday album just because it has the Disney birthday colors and not everything says like boy on it. So you could definitely get like a 2-in-1 from that. There's some single-sided paper, not single-sided, some single sheets here that are double-sided. So there's like butterflies and birds on one side, and this is a nice back side. That will go with some fun summery collections, just like a nice turquoise paper. I always like when I have like one side that I like I don't like this side and I'm never going to use this side, but this side I could definitely get some use out of. So that's fun. We got 2 sheets of that. There's some die cuts here. Oh, I got a couple of die cuts. Okay, this one is the Little Dreamer Boy frames and tags. So, oh, this is cute because I've been working on some baby albums lately, and this is going to be cute to add these as like some embellishments. They just pop right off, so I don't want to like take them off, but like you guys could see here, they just pop right off. They're like a little die cut sheet. I also don't know how to get these otherwise. I've only ever seen them in my mystery boxes. I don't know how to get these like die cut sheets otherwise. So those are always fun to have, and they're always a nice stash to have when I'm making cards and things. Previously I've gotten like Christmas ones, and I gotten like a mermaid one that I used up, but I still have a Christmas one to use up. But anyway, we also got this one. This is from the Our Travel Adventure. Oh, it says PDF. Is this like a printable thing and they just die cut it out for me? Because it says PDF on the bottom. I don't know, but this is like an adventure themed one. So like a travel one. Travel adventure, travel explore, escape, vacation. So if I'm making a traveling album, I could always use that. Ooh, this Homemade with Love collection. I did have this once before, and I did make like a recipe kind of folio with it, and I used up all the papers. And look, now I have another one. It wasn't my favorite thing to craft with, I'll be honest, because it is more vintagey, but I have been wanting another one just to have in my stash because, again, although I don't like vintage, other people do, and I make a lot of stuff to sell. So here is another one of those, the Homemade with Love collection, and I could link the video down below where I previously shared the papers in this collection if you guys are interested in seeing that. Let's see. This one I'm gonna have to show you guys. I've never gotten this one before, and this one is called On Vogue by Cardabella. So let me just take out everything else so I can show you guys. Okay guys, let's show you this On Vogue collection. So it is the thicker kind of quality paper, and it is textured. It looks very fashion forward. You've got like these dresses, you've got the Eiffel Tower, got these polka dots on the back. Here's some cut aparts. Life is too short to wear boring clothes. Ooh la la. Paris is always a good idea. I mean, this would be really cute for somebody documenting a trip to Paris, or just somebody that, you know, is a fashionista. You can make a bunch of cards with this collection as well. Here's like some perfume. And the back side, ooh, I love that. Here is this. It says glamour never takes a day off. Life is a party, dress like it. I'd rather be shopping. The joy of dressing is an art. Life is short by the dress. Very cute. And then the back side is just like the striped paper. Then they have like this Eiffel Tower kind of map, I guess, of Paris. And then the back side. Then there's like these purses or handbags. And the back side just has all these like fashion words. Then you've got these heels. And the back side. You've got this. I don't know, is this like desserts, cookies. I'm not really sure what this is. Hats, maybe? I don't even know. And then the back side, this is cute. Just a bunch of Eiffel Towers, but I like the background color and everything. Here's some cut aparts. It also looks kind of like a vintagey collection here. And then the back side. Then we have these like mannequins wearing dresses, and the back side is this floral print. Then you have this, which is just like a shopping center, I guess. And then the back side. You got these sunglasses, glasses, and things that you would find in your handbag. And the back side looks like this. These are like cute little flanner bags, or you could use them as embellishments or just as a single page, which I probably use the other side. And then you have the sticker sheet that looks like this. So that is the On Vogue collection by Cartabella. This is my first time having this collection. Okay, this next one is called Fall Break. Oh wait, that's not the Christmas one. Oh man, oh, I got some school paper. Ooh, I have another one in here that I've never had before. Okay, but hold on. I don't think I've ever had Fall Break before. So let's open up this one. So this is Fall Break by Cartabella, also that textured paper. Here's that first page and the back side. This is more vintagey as well. You've got these trucks and the back, definitely vintagey. You've got this one with the trees in different colors and the back side. You've got this says Hello Beautiful, Gorgeous Fall. Autumn days are here again. A light breeze, colorful leaves, it must be autumn. And then the back side. Then you've got this, just the different kind of vegetables, I guess, that grow, or fruit. And the back side, you've got this, which is like another, like scenes. These would be cute for like pockets in an album. And the back side is these leaves. Then you've got these cut aparts, Cocoa Time, and this plaid. You've got these leaves and acorns. You've got these little cut aparts, just looks very vintagey, and the back side has these leaves. You've got this plaid and pumpkins in like a teal and white and orange. These leaves, and the back are these vases with flowers or vases, stripes and flowers. And then you've got the sticker sheet that looks like this. Pumpkin latte time, sweater weather, get outside and play, hello beautiful gorgeous fall. Those are cute. Long walks, yes. All right, so that is the Fall Break collection by Cartabella. I also got this collection called Little Lumberjack. I was hoping this was the Lumberjack Christmas because I did get this one before. I think I've got it maybe during one of their warehouse sales. I was like, okay, we'll just get it. But I have the Little Lumberjack Christmas, or the Lumberjack Christmas, and I was hoping I would have gotten that because it goes with these stickers. And I got in this sticker book from a previous like Echo Park sale. So I was hoping it would go with that, but this is the Lumberjack Christmas is obviously Christmas. This Little Lumberjack is just like an outdoorsy kind of one. I'm not going to go into detail because I've showed this before, but that's just what that looks like. You got like camping and stuff, so this is definitely an outdoorsy one. I've shown this one before as well, the I Love Summer. I used a lot of my summer paper this past summer, so it's always good to have more. This is the I Love Summer collection, created by Lori Whitlock for Echo Park, and that's what it looks like. I could link below like the videos where I showed this, or the projects if I can't find the video, the projects that I created with it. Then I have this back to school one, which I recently, in one of their other warehouse sales, not the mystery boxes, but another warehouse sale, I did order some school paper because I knew I didn't really have any more. So I did order some more of that. So I guess I'll be busy again next year for back to school season, making more school things. But this is the back to school. I don't think I got this one last time. I think I got a different school one. I did craft with this one this year, but the last time I bought some, I got a different school one, not the back to school. And then this one is new to me. This is called Getaway, and I will open this one up because I've never had this one before either. Okay, so this is another travel themed one. I'm a little bummed that there's really no Christmas in this mystery box. I was hoping for some Christmas, but because I love Christmas and I feel like I'm always crafting Christmas, but it's fine. So it says grab your passport and let's go. These are like the 4x6 cut aparts and some 3x4 cut aparts as well. And this is the back side. And this one's by Echo Park, so it's not like that textured paper like Cartabella does. This one's got these, I guess, stamp looking thingamabobbies. And the back side. Lots of vintagey collections in this mystery box, I'm noticing. You've got this one. And then here's the back side. You've got these stripes. Overall, though, it's still a really great value. I mean, you pay $50. That includes shipping. And you just get so much. Like, I got in a lot of collection kits in here already. Then you get this. This map. And this is the back side. You've got these numbers. And the back has these stripes. You've got these like script words. And the back side. You've got like this globe. And the back pattern. Eiffel Tower. And the back is these polka dots. You've got these border strips. And the back side. And then you've got these like ticket stubs and compasses on the back. And then here is the sticker sheet. So that is what this collection looks like, called Getaway. Overall, this is still a very awesome deal. Although I didn't get Christmas like I wanted and there was quite a bit of vintagey stuff in here, like it's still an amazing deal. So let's talk about how many collection kits I got. Let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 collection kits and a paper pad. A 12x12 paper pad. We got 2 washies. We've got these 2 chipboard accents and frames. We've also got this 6x6 paper pad. We got 2 6x6 paper pads. And this one. I can't remember which ones though I got. I don't know. I'm not sure. I feel like this was one of the things that I got trying to get to the 50 and maybe this, but I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, we got this and we also got an embossing folder and this art print. And then we also got 2 die cut sheets and we also got 2 double-sided sheets. So that is what was in my Echo Park mystery box. The value is still very much there. It's a great way to build up your stash. You might not like everything, but just make an album and gift it to somebody, you know? So, I mean, I hold on to my paper. I craft with everything. I don't really like pick and choose. I mean, yeah, there are some collections I like more than others, but I'm not like hoarding them or anything. Like if I'm going to use it, I'm going to use it, you know? So, yeah, so I just kind of go through what I feel like crafting with and what I'm inspired with at that moment, and I just craft kind of whatever and whenever. So that is everything that I got from the Echo Park mystery box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching me unbox everything. Check out the links down below in case you guys wanted to see any of these like collections in more detail that I have shared here before on my channel before. And that is everything. So I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.